Ciao e benvenuto. I'm Eben and this is Texas Motorbike Adventures. Today's a special day. We're going down to AMS Advanced Motorsports Ducati in Dallas, and we're going to put on the new Termignoni slip-on pipe for Bianca. It's don't have to take off the catalytic converter or anything like that. It's just a little slip-on, but it's really cool. It's Carlin Dunn run on the Pikes Peak runs when he was doing his multi-strada. It's carbon fiber, titanium, little small stumpy pipe, really very cool. So I wanted to just shoot a quick video of what the stock pipe sounded like before we went and put on the new one. So here we go. So that's it. Very exciting. It should give us a little bit more horsepower, and along with the K&N lifetime aftermarket air filter that we also put on there, should be like right around 160 ponies now. So she got legs. So anyways, hope everybody's doing well. I'll shoot some video of the new pipe when I come home, and we'll go from there. Ciao. Okay, so got back earlier from Dallas and getting the new slip-on installed, and it's super cool. Love the way it sounds. I mean, performance is really great, so I don't think there's any kind of issue with any of that stuff. It's really, really cool. So here it is. Here, check it out. There it is. Nice little Termignoni. Got all the goodies at the end there. And got the Pikes Peak. Let's see, where is it? I'm turning this thing around. Pikes Peak logo on there. There it is. Cool. Alright. So here's what it sounds like starting up. Okay. Very cool. So I like it a lot. It's super. Rode back from Dallas to Midlothian, from Midlothian home the back way. Felt great, no problem. So I'll take some pictures and shoot a little video here in a second of what it looks like with the bags back on. But that's it. All right, thanks. Okay, here's what she looks like with the bags back on. And the new pipe. Here's what it sounds like. Lovely.